Good morning, everyone. Nice to see you again. My name is Saretnan. I am a Buddhist monk, live in Ramenjay Temple. Today I would like to share second video clips talking about the basic morality for human being. Last clip I read about the 4 harmful actions to avoid, like avoid hurting and killing living beings, avoid taking what is not given, avoid sexual misconduct, and avoid lying. This is the first basic morality for human being. Today we're talking the cause someone or somebody do the harmful action. So today we're talking about the 4 reasons for committing this harmful action. First, desire. For example, because of desire for wrongful pleasure, one may engage in sexual misconduct. Number 2, anger. For example, because of anger that is not controlled, one may hurt another or may hurt because you anger. Number 3, ignorance. For example, because of ignorance, what it is wrong to purchase stolen, counterfeit, or pirated material. One may take what is not given. Because of ignorance, make someone or somebody dare to steal something from other people. Number 4, fear. Example, fear. Because of fear of having a mistake or a misdeed discovered, one may lie. Because of your fear, somebody or someone or something, you can say wrong or you may be a fair speech. A virtuous person will not be led astray by desire, anger, ignorance, or fear. As such, he or she will avoid these 4 harmful actions. So, wish you happy and healthy. Thank you very much.